How's it going, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we are taking a deep dive into Overture's Rock PLA in Marigold Yellow. So this is one of the older Overture filaments. Basically, it has the sticker still on the seal. I know that the newer ones don't, but just have to point it out every time on how annoying it is because it requires you to get a separate tool. Anyway, this is the filaments as we get it open. And it's the Rock PLA, so it does have a matte finish, as you can see. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in filament dryer. See you back here in a jiff. Anyway, here is the Benchy. If you're new here, we always start out by printing Benchy in the generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case generic PLA. Should take a little bit over an hour, so we're going to send that to the printer and get that printed along with all the other test prints. And here they are. So, like I said, we always start out with that generic Benchy. As you can see, there are a little bit of minor issues with some of the surfaces, as you can see there on the bow. I'm not sure if the camera picked it up, but relatively small stuff that we can try and rectify. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Everything looks great there. Next up, we have the temperature tower. The temp tower for this one, by the looks of it, probably the best one, is right at 195. Very little stringing and globbing. No real major issues with that. So, recommend 195 for this particular filament. Anyway, next up we have the retraction test. Everything looks great there. Next up we have the max volumetric speed test. This one performed absolutely wonderfully up to 20 millimeters per second cubed. Or 20 millimeters cubed per second. Everything looks good. The overhang test did fail right at about 60 degrees, but you did see some other issues earlier with some loss of definition, particularly on the back. So just consider enabling supports a little bit earlier for this one. Just my 2 cents for that. But overall, pretty good. Next up, we got those things dialed in and reprinted that Benchy. Everything I changed is down in the description below. But basically, looks pretty good. No real major issues with the final product. Anyway, at the time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $16, which is a pretty good price for, PLA. Anyway, my overall thoughts on this one. I think it's pretty good. I mean, I like Overture. Really haven't had any issues with it. Apart from the overhangs, that was the only thing. Anyway, that's been Overture's Rock PLA in Marigold Yellow. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do all the nice YouTube things because it really does help this channel. I'm relatively new at all this, and I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other.